Please watch to the end. Comment and respond to other people's comments.
This was a shooting.
Arrested after the shooting, Portland police say Joshua Constantine could have killed an 8-year-old girl, firing a single shot into a car loaded with 3 children and 2 mothers. An apparent case of road rage during a holiday shopping trip Tuesday afternoon.
He was very aggressive and angry.
Tina Suarez was in the car when the little girl was grazed in the foot.
The worst thing in life as a mother is to hear a little kid say, "Mom, he shot me."
With Constantine in court today, this case comes just days after a 3-year-old was shot and killed in Arkansas.
Oh my God!
Tonight, local police are trying to find the road rage gunman who murdered little Asen King. Experts say road rage incidents like these can go into overdrive during the holidays, as a growing number of Americans pack the roads and parking lots. While AAA says 80% of drivers experience some sort of road rage this year, statistics show deadly encounters are on the rise. 425 deaths in 2014. Tonight, the holidays may be here, but the Christmas spirit is not a given on the road.
Prosecutors in Portland have described a road rage shooting that injured an 8-year-old as a completely random and unprovoked act of violence. The incident, according to court documents, involved Joshua Constantine firing a gun at a vehicle carrying 5 people. On Monday, Constantine appeared in Multnomah County Circuit Court, where Judge Kathleen M. Daly agreed to lower his $2.5 million bail to $50,000. However, Deputy District Attorney Melissa Marrero opposed the reduction, citing concerns that Constantine might flee due to the significant prison time he faces if convicted. Marrero also emphasized that the weapon used in the shooting has not been recovered, raising fears that Constantine could tamper with evidence if released. Constantine is currently charged with attempted first-degree assault, second-degree assault, unlawful use of a weapon, and reckless driving.
Okay. It's okay. You can just say whatever you want to say.
You want to read your letter or just talk?
What's your name?
My name's Ariana.
Ariana. Okay, it looks like you wrote something down.
Did.
Okay, you want to read it to me?
I just want to know why he shot me and why he did that. What made him? Why did he shoot me? What did we do that made you want to shoot us? I just want to know why, because we didn't do anything wrong, but I can't really forgive you because you frightened me. In time, I will forgive you, but I don't think I can right now.
All right, thank you.
Possibly make a man think it's okay to fire a gun into another car while driving on I-84. 32-year-old Joshua Constantine will now have 5 years in prison to think about his road rage. An emotional sentencing in court today when his 8-year-old victim, shot in the ankle, asked Constantine what she possibly could have done to deserve being shot.
What did we do that made you want to shoot us?
Grown-ups full of rage, making stupid decisions, and leaving lasting impressions on little kids who simply don't deserve it.
I just want to know why he shot me and why he did that. What made him? Why did he shoot me?
Today, after one last hug before heading off to prison, 32-year-old Joshua Constantine listened to little 8-year-old Ariana Brian, who was riding in the car that Constantine shot at during a road rage incident in December. Little Ariana was shot in the ankle. Constantine apologized for his actions.
I wanted to let the court know that I had no idea there were any children in the car, and that I'm just very sorry for what happened and the escalation that I brought forward.
Constantine was driving erratically on I-84, cutting in and out of traffic and running other drivers off the road in his minivan. When Ariana's mother drove up next to him to get video and his license plate, he pulled out a gun and shot into their car, hitting 8-year-old Ariana. In court, some more forgiving than others.
I want you to know that no anger or animosity is held. Everybody walked away alive and healthy and okay, and that's what matters.
You frightened me. In time, I will forgive you, but I don't think I can right now.
Constantine agreed to a plea deal, 5 years in prison for third-degree assault and unlawful use of a weapon. The right-of-way now goes to justice. Because Constantine was immediately cuffed, his 5 years behind bars begins today.
And as part of his plea deal, additional charges of first-degree attempted assault and second-degree assault were dropped, as was the charge of reckless driving.